and welcome to Watermelon Living. So today I'm going to be doing a review first impressions on the Dermablend Professional Intense PowderCamo medium buildable to high coverage. So this one is in color caramel. So this is the packaging that they have right here. And so this one, it says a medium buildable to high coverage powder compact foundation for moderate to major skin issues such as redness, rosacea, uneven skin tone, acne scars, and birthmarks. So pretty much for me, the reason why I bought this was because I just wanted something that's a little bit more full coverage. So instead of having to do a liquid foundation, I wanted to just use quickly put on a powder and not have to really deal with everything that has to go into doing a liquid foundation face routine, whatever. But so I ended up getting the Dermablend. So this is how it looks like right here. So I really do like the packaging. So here's the back right there. I saw this at Ulta and I was like, okay, I liked it. I liked the coverage. I kind of tried it on, and then I was like, okay, I really want to get it, and finally went ahead and got it. So right now, this is my first impression on the Dermablend Professional. So what I'm gonna do is put on. I'll just go ahead and I'll go ahead and open this up. So you end up getting a mirror here, and here's the powder, and then if you open it up, here is a sponge right here. It's not that great of a sponge, to tell you the truth, but it's in there. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and put on some of my my primer. I'm going to put on my concealer, and then I'm going to go ahead and put on the powder just so I can give y'all my first impression. Alrighty, so I have my primer on and I have my concealer on, so I'm going to go ahead and give this a shot and see how the coverage is for me. So let's see. Okay, so here's the product, and for me, it's very smooth. Of course it's a powder, but it's very smooth for me. So I'm going to go ahead and take my Artiste brush and kind of give that a shot and see how this goes on. So I can definitely see it covering. So I'll just do half of my face for y'all using this. Let's see. Do half of my nose because I do have some redness here. So they said it's buildable. To me, it's very soft. You can see that for sure it's covering, because I normally have like a lot of red like right here and on my forehead, and as well kind of by my nose right here, where normal spots we women get redness. So let's see, now I'm kind of going to a Morphe powder brush, kind of seeing what the difference for that. Yeah, this is a little bit easier to do than the Artiste. I feel the Artiste ones are a little bit better for liquid foundation. So as you can see, I'm really building it, and let's see, trying to get half of the face for y'all. Alright, so I definitely can tell between this side and this side. You can see a lot more redness over here, that I have a lot more redness. You can see more redness around my nose. I'll use this. So you can see more redness here around my nose and also my cheek. I feel like this one's a lot more flawless, whereas this one right here, you could definitely see some of like my freckles right here, the redness. Well, I use concealer on that, so you can't really see that. But yeah, I mean, definitely you can definitely tell a difference. I like it. Let's see. It feels lightweight for me. I definitely like how it looks, just, you know, just a lot more cleaner. I guess I can say how it looks a lot cleaner. And let's see. Yeah, I mean, I would say a little bit more airbrush. I could say that. So I really like it. I really do. So this is definitely something. So currently right now I had been using the, what's it called? So lately I've been using the Bare Minerals Blemish Remedy. It's very reflective. It's, so this one kind of takes care of redness. This one's more of a loose powder, whereas this one's a compact. And it's just the thing that I didn't like with that is that it was just a very, very light coverage. It took care of some of the redness, not all the redness. But I really do like this. It doesn't feel as if I have anything on. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this side. And then I'm going to finish putting on my makeup. So see y'all in a bit. Alright, so here it is. So I could definitely see how the redness that I had over here has, you know, I don't have as much redness. The same thing like right here on my nose, and then I just get, you know, redness here on my nose. I don't know why. But I really do like how it's taking care of it. It's very lightweight. I'm able to put and build more product and not feel like I'm just putting on layers and layers. I was switching between my Artis brush, my Artis here, and the, what do I call it, the M400. It's just a larger powder brush just to put it on. Just because one thing that I noticed with the Artis is that it left a lot of loose powder, whereas this one was a lot easier to I guess get the product, but it's a larger brush, so I'm able to put it larger areas, but I felt like I had to get more of the product, whereas with the Artis I was getting a lot of product in one go, so I was able to go and do it less times and to get more product. So if that makes sense to y'all. But anyway, so I really do like it. I'm definitely excited that I ended up buying this. I think this one was excited to buy this. I think this one for me, it costs $32, which to me it's a little bit expensive, but you buy that anyway, you spend that anyway on a foundation. So for me, I was like, okay, well, this is going to be something that it's more like an everyday kind of lazy, not wanting to wear liquid foundation or even a tinted moisturizer, just something where I need to put something on fast and go. So definitely really like this. I'm going to start adding this to my everyday routine just to kind of see how the durability of this is. Does it stay on all day? So for me, I work, you know, my job, even though it's an indoor, I also have to be outdoors a lot and it's humid over here. So I'm going to give this a shot for a week, wear it every day for a week, and then I will let you all know how it goes, whether or not this will be good for the humid weather down here. But alrighty, my lovelies, I'm really happy that you all were able to stop by. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave me a comment. If you're not part of the Watermelon Living family, go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Press that little bell that you have over there just so that you can get notifications as to when I put up new videos. So thank you all, and I will see you all later, my lovelies. Bye!